So, as people wey God don choose, wey dey holy and wey God love, make una get deep love and pity, dey kind, dey carry body down, dey gentle for heart and dey patient. Make una continue to bear wetin una dey do each other and dey forgive each other from una heart. Even if anybody get reason to complain about another person, just as Jehovah dey forgive una from him heart, una must do the same thing too. But apart from all these things, make una dey wear love like cloth, because love dey really hold people together as one. And make una allow the peace of Christ to control una heart, because God call una to get that peace and to be one body. And make una dey show say una dey talk thank you.